You see? You always overdo things.
No, I got the big one.
Some boys love the month's apple juice, so we're gonna get this. Get some cranberry juice too. Seta is insisting on getting Sunny D. Pack lunch for the kids every day because they don't eat a lunch at school. Don't ask me why. What did you get, Seta?
Takis, my favorite chips.
Cereal. So everybody loves the frosted flakes. Ramses and Seta love this. I'm not gonna get a lot of strawberries because these are just looking dingy. Like we eat a lot of salads and this is just already ready-made, so always just so much easier. So we like to bake potatoes. I think orange juice with pulp is nasty. What about you guys? So it's crazy snowing outside, but I made it to the Caribbean store. So Oral requested this thing, so I'm gonna get this. Definitely getting some plantain, so let me get a bag. Scotch bonnet peppers. Ramses love to eat some water crackers. Today's video will be a grocery shopping vlog. We shop at about 2 or 3 different stores, but we get our main items from BJ's, or like to get our groceries and or toiletries from BJ's. We do a once a month haul really, and we go back in between for perishables, you know, like getting milk, the fruits. These boys love strawberries, so we always have to replenish our strawberries. So we go back in between for these items. We are going out right now to BJ's. We're starting at BJ's. Hopefully we'll have time when we leave BJ's so we can go to the Caribbean store where we get the Scotch bonnet pepper, like all the stuff we don't get in BJ's. The Scotch bonnet pepper, the pumpkins, the yam, definitely some green plantains. So I'll see you guys when I get in BJ's, okay?
As well.
We're definitely gonna get some green bananas also.
And you could get potato to bake a pudding, sweet potato to bake pudding.
Petite.
And Oral said we're gonna get sweet potato, so we have to, because we're gonna bake a pudding.
Pudding. Yes.
What's the Ramses' face? Show
Ramses
look at
like-
Ramses' face. Ramses is like, yes, you're gonna
You
bake a pudding.
You want to bake a pudding, Ramses?
Wait, hold on.
You want to bake a pudding? You want to bake a
Who are
pudding?
you baking?
I'll see you guys when we get into BJ's. I think it's just, well, me and Satai's gonna start out and then Oral and Ramses will come in after. Because the BJ's looks like it's full. The garage is really, really packed. So see you guys inside. Oh. All right, you ready, Satai?
Wait, for school.
So we're in BJ's. It is so cold, like my nose is so stiffly. First stop, like we're just gonna go aisle by aisle because we need to replenish everything. So first stop is paper towel and tissue. So let's grab paper towel. And I don't know why you picked this up already because we're not getting that. Just grab one. Oh, where are you going? You know what? You see? You always overdo things.
No, I got the big one.
It's okay, let's go. It's okay, I have one already.
No.
Seta has to do the most, you know? Alright, so what is that? Ultra Strong, what is that? Like a Berkeley Johnson brand?
Wait.
Berkeley Johnson is good. I never used that, but Berkeley Johnson is good. I think I'll try that. That's 20 and this is Charmin I normally get, but this I think I'm gonna try the get the Scotch. I'm gonna try this brand. Berkeley Johnson products are usually very good, so I'm gonna try this. Hopefully it's something.
No, Mommy, we're not getting this. We're getting the Scotch.
Satai.
We're getting our new
Okay.
school.
All right. Come. Satai. I get the Mutt's apple juice. Oh, boys love the Mutt's apple juice, so we're gonna get this. Get some cranberry juice Chew.
Let's get Sunny D.
Seta is insisting on getting Sunny D. We're gonna get some juice box for the kids to take to school.
Hey! Hey! Go get Sunny D! Get Sunny D!
It's apple juice.
We're getting Sunny D! We're getting Sunny D! Sunny D, we're getting...
Alright, I'll take it on the front. Alright, let's get some Lunchables. I pack lunch for the kids every day because they don't eat a lunch at school. Don't ask me why, but they don't eat it, so. Seta just grabbed Sunny D. We'll put a Sunny D for Seta. What?
Show the vlog this.
What?
Show the vlog this.
What?
Show.
What did you get, Seta?
Takis, my favorite chips.
Why do you pick that big bag of Takis? So let's get cereal. So everybody loves the Frosted Flakes, so we'll get Frosted Flakes. And which cereal do you want, Seta?
Oh, thank you very much.
Ramses and Seta love this. Over there.
Yeah, no, but Misty color for milk.
Oh, they have a color one?
Yeah, mystery color.
Let me see.
Tricks. Cookie crisp. Okay, let me harness it up with my harness. Okay, let me get my harness up. Oh, Cocoa Puffs is over there. Okay, I'm gonna get tricks. Oh, this is a big. Okay, Mom. Gotta lasso it.
Stop.
Lasso.
I need to have a trick.
Tricks.
Oh. Never seen this one.
Oh, wait, it's like 3 boxes.
3 separate ones. Yeah. So this is a good one to buy.
Yeah.
Oh, Pop-Tart. So we have to get Pop-Tart. Satai, come. They both love Pop-Tart, but Satai will only eat the strawberry or frosted strawberry. The Satai will definitely eat that. I'm hoping Ramses will eat the other ones because Ramses also likes strawberry, but it doesn't matter if it has the frosting or not. So I think we'll take a pack.
Yeah, let's just take the whole thing with this.
All right, take that.
What?
Take your time.
Wepa!
So again, I don't have a list. I'm just going in each aisle because we need to get everything basically. So we're in the snack aisle. Ramses loves, they both love pretzel, but right now Satai said you don't want no pretzel, so. But what I do is I'll put like a pretzel with a Lunchable and a little juice box for Ramses. He often come back home with a juice box because I just think the teachers don't like them to have sweets, so I'm assuming, and because 99% of the time the juice box comes back home. So, but I'll still send one just in case. No, we're not getting that chips.
It's good. It's good. We got it.
Do you want it? I'm not getting that chips. I'm gonna get this to put in your Valentine packet.
No.
Alright, maybe I should put a tissue because this card is not packed properly. I should put a tissue and then at the bottom.
Mommy. Wait, instead of these strips, can I get these strips?
More snacks for these 2 little boys. So they like the party, what is this one called? Party cake. And they like the chocolate, but I'm just gonna get the party cake one today. Okay, so Ty wants to exchange a chip for which one? Because I'm not into it with you.
For this one.
Let's see what's in this one. Spicy natural, spicy no, this is all spicy.
No.
Jalapeno, hot, flaming hot. So you'll be the only one eating this. So they're for you and Ramses, so no.
No, these are not spicy.
Yeah, but that would be the only one.
So
we're not getting that one. Oh my god, these strawberries look dingy. What's going on? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Sorry. I'm not gonna get a lot of strawberries because these are just looking dingy. These smaller ones look better. I think the best time to come grocery shopping is in the early morning because everything is fresh. At the end of the day, it's like all just what left. So I'm gonna get this. Like we eat a lot of salads and this is just already ready-made, so always just so much easier. And the ones I take to work, let me see. These ones, but they don't have the ones that I like. Oh my goodness. Buffalo Ranch. I don't. Alright, so I like to take these for lunch, so it's like $3.49. That's like an easy, cheap lunch. So 3, 6, 9. They're saying 3 for 10 here, but it doesn't make much difference because one is like $3.49. It says going home, I'm not sure. So I like the cherry tomatoes, but Oral does not like them. So I think I'll just get the big. You like the big ones? What? Maybe we'll get the avocado in this is good. I don't know, maybe we'll get avocado and palm tree.
Are we going to Acme?
I don't think we're gonna make it to Acme, but maybe we'll go to palm tree.
We're not going to Acme.
So we like to bake potatoes, so I'm getting a whole bag of
We got purple potato.
yeah, the Wesley farm.
And lemons.
And these green bananas, actually, they're looking green, but they'll be ripe in like 2 days. So I'll take those. Some onion. And these sweet potato, I like. These are like the organic sweet potatoes. I like these ones. Or don't like them. I like both sweet potatoes. But or don't like those, so I make this for myself in the oven. And you'll eat this or the other sweet potato. Trying to see what else we need. Don't climb in. Get out. That one is open, it looks like.
All of those look the same. All of them looks the same.
So Ramsey's getting this for breakfast because he's not a big eater in the morning, so he likes to have a yogurt or like special a liquid one, so a smoothie. So he gets that.
Mommy, there's got like yogurt in the like box that it's the same but it has bluey on it.
Okay. Since I get this one, Oreo M&M. And he takes that yogurt for snack at school, so when snack time you'll have his yogurt and a crackers, like a Cheez-It, so I need to get Cheez-Its. He took chips, but I need to get Cheez-It. You had to play those donuts already. 2 meaning no, 1 is good enough. Said I always wants a donut from Dunkin' Donuts, glazed with the strawberry topping. So we compromise and we get that one from BJ's. And he'll eat a few and then he'll just leave them. But But it's better than getting one every day or two from Dunkin' Donuts. So I'm looking for bacon, but I don't see it. The boys only eat turkey bacon and they love it so much, so I'm like going crazy right now because there's none. It's empty. No turkey bacon. Alright, we're gonna get Lunchables. This is one of the things they take to school for lunch. I don't see. So we never really get that one. We get these, but this one has the peanut butter. Let's see this one. Oh, it's the same thing. So Setai can have this, so I would give those to Randes and this to Setai. But I don't see the chips. Setai also like the chips and dip. I don't know, because this is not even. I wanted to get a small pack that has several, but this is just 4. This is not enough.
Are you listening?
I'm listening to you. You're asking me where the nerd one is, and I don't know. Because there's not a lot of stock here anyways. Maybe I should have gone to the other BJ's. Alright, let's see what's back here. Same thing. So I think I'm just gonna pick up
that's racist.
This one pack?
That's racist.
Yeah, but I won't give that one to you. I'll give that to Ramses. I'll pick this up and then I'll either come back in the week. Yeah, I'll come back in the week. I'll also check Acme because Acme has like a pack sometimes. So I guess I have to do that. But I definitely have to come back for the bacon because this is the one we usually get, the Oscar Mayer turkey bacon, but it's empty. Getting this for my eczema-ridden kids. Both boys have eczema, so this is very good. This is also good. I'll see which one I'm getting. So this will be my last item. Cheese It for snack again. So we should have more than enough snack for school now. And I'm still gonna have to come back for a few additional items, but for now, I think we're good. I think we're good for now. That's more than, it's a lot. Looks like a lot. This card is getting really heavy. Satai, let's go. Let's go to the cashier now. So this is what? This is Immune C. Oh, zinc and vitamin D. I think I'm gonna get this one. How much vitamin? I think 200 is good for kids. Like 2,000 is minimum for adults. Like normally I like to say 5,000 units of vitamin D for adults every day. And then make sure you're checking in with your primary doctor to, like, you know, make sure your levels are within normal limits. But yeah, 5,000 units once you don't have like kidney issues or stuff. That's a good number because we're all like so low on vitamin D. Anyways, that's that. Satai can put these in his goodie bags for Valentine's Day, so we'll get this. Yeah. I have a few coupons, so that's good. $2 off the dino, the soap, that coffee. We got out BJ's and look, it's snowing and look at Satai. Yeah! Satai trying to eat the snow, catch the snow in his mouth. It is snowing. Oral is waiting in the car. Come, Sat. Be careful. We're taking the stuff out of the car now. It is snowing. Satai, go inside. You don't need to help. Just go in.
I'm trying to catch a snowflake. Go
in. Dada's taking the stuff out. You can go in. Don't do that. The snow is so beautiful. So it's crazy snowing outside, but I made it to the Caribbean store and I'm just gonna start picking up my favorite items now. So Oral requested this thing, so I'm gonna get this. Possimo. I never had that, so. Alright, I got some ripe bananas already. Oh. Definitely getting some plantain, so let me get a bag. Like 5 for $4, so I'm just gonna get 5. Not getting any ripe ones today. These look nice and fresh, so we'll get that. I like to get both purple. I don't like this one. This one looks good. So I like to get both purple and the regular white cabbage. And then we'll get some Scotch bonnet peppers. Picked up onion already at BJ's. Garlic, we can get some more garlic. I like to use the minced garlic that is already ready to go. I hate having to peel the garlic. Alright, so I'll get this corn, $2.99. I don't know if I want pineapple. I think I have scallion already. I don't remember. I think I have enough scallion. Honestly, I don't remember how much. Yeah, we have scallion. We have enough. I remember now. We see these strawberries. I got strawberries already, but pass on to blueberries. Okay, saltfish. I need saltfish. I got this one. I'm gonna get some sweet potato. These are the sweet potatoes that Oral prefer. And we use these to bake, like bake a pudding. So maybe I'll bake him a pudding. I don't know. I did it once. I'll try again. I'll take that. Yeah, he liked the first pudding, so I'll do it again. No, I don't like that one. That looks good. How much? I have like 4. So I will get. I really like how these pumpkin look. They're not looking as fresh. Well, this one doesn't look too bad. No. Okay, this one looks better. I'll take this. This one looks dry and sweet. Sorry. Pumpkin pass. So let's get some. Let's get some bok choy. I don't know. We love this with some saltfish. Codfish, whatever you call it. I'll get like two pads. Nope. Okay, that's not looking as okay. This one looks good. So I have 2 of that. Okay, I need to get a piece of yam. So I'll get, let's see if there's any Colombia yam. I don't know. Oh my god, the stuff that they're using to clean is so strong. No yellow yam. Maybe the white yam. Okay. So they just cut this, so this looks good. So I will take this piece. Alright. I don't know if we have noodles, but I'll take some. When we're cooking fish, we put this in there. I don't think I'm gonna buy any fish today because the fish place is already closed. It's already late. Setai wants a blue chubby, but I don't see any, so I'm gonna get him a red one. So I'm getting 1 red chubby. And I like to get the coconut cream, so I'll get 2 of this. I'm trying to cut back, but I still pick up like 2 ensure for Ramses. Sorry. I actually love this Lasco strawberry thing. He does shake, he loves it, so I get 3. Sorry. The bush is bean, yep, okay. So looking for the vegetarian one. Okay, these cans are broke or dent. I don't want them. Vegetarian cans are broken. I don't know why. Ramses love to eat some water crackers with Oral. So we're gonna get these. We're gonna pick up 2 of these. And we should get juice. I got juice in BJ's already. The snow is so beautiful. You're only packing out what your stuff, right? You don't need to pack one by one. Guys, we are home and just gonna pack this stuff away now. But thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for sticking with us. And I hope you enjoyed our little shopping vlog. Right? See you in our next video.
Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that subscribe button for extra good luck.
Hit the subscribe button for extra good luck. Bye, y'all.
Bye. See you at the next day. See you tomorrow. Peace out. Bye.